going on, guys? It's your boy Darius back at it again with another video. Oh, I set my hat over. Set my hat over there. Yeah, my hat's over there. Anyways, yes, same shirt. You're gonna two videos same day. Y'all know how I do sometimes. Two videos same day. Today's topic is I have now had the Team Z suspension parts on my car for a little over a month now. It's BMR adjustable stuff. I have not yet put the upper control arm. Yeah, you know how to do it. I have not put that on there yet. I do have the lower control arms and the panhard bar. Both lower control arms and the panhard bar. Those are the only two things I do have on the car. Now, there's a butt to it. Everybody knows there's a butt. There's a butt. I have not done the upper control arms. I have not done the sway bar relocation from the nice little wheels over there, which I'm going to get tires priced Monday. I'm going to get tires priced the morning this video is posted. So when y'all see this video, I've been getting my tires priced and other stuff. I do need to get in alignment because I think my car is trailing itself or tracking itself. I don't know the correct enunciation or whatever it is. I do think that's happening because when you get above 70 and you're on it, you're literally doing a wobble. You know, like it's on wobble, but yeah, you know what I'm talking about. Yeah, I know everybody knows it's a wobble. So I do have that going on. So I still got to install those, do the sway bar, and I'm going to get tires prices for those. I'm doing 26 by 10.5 15s and 28 by 10.5 15s. So I'm gonna get prices on both of them to see which one I want to do. Now, the topic of today's video is my month experience of the BMR stuff. Now, the lower control arms and the panhard bar, they went on really, really good. The only problem I had with this is my first time doing adjustable control arms and adjustable panhard bar was I couldn't quite get the adjustment right.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
I mean, I got it lined up. Like, they're lined up, it's a stock, but I was struggling for a minute. Like, I had a retard moment. I had a big retard moment. So, I do, like I said, I've had them on my car for over a month. I raced JJ with them, which, by the way, if you have not seen that video, I will link that. Y'all know what I do. I'll link it somewhere up there. It'll be somewhere up there. The parts, I know some people are like, well, you're not going to feel a difference. You're making stock power. You're not going to feel a difference between the lower control arms and the panhard bar. Now, the panhard bar, I do kind of sort of feel a difference, but the main difference I really feel is the lower control arms. I feel a huge, huge difference in the lower control arms. And the reason I say that is because when I first got my car, the stock lower control arm, stock panhard bar, when I got on it, it would spin first, second, and part of third, depending on what I did. If I stayed in it, third, I'd be spinning first part, and then I'd hook up. Sometimes I'd hook up in second gear. But most time, I'd be spinning, and I would do a little shimmy, yeah. If you got a Mustang, y'all know what I'm talking about. So, I put the lower control arms on and the panhard bar, and I rode them around for about a week, 2 weeks, let everything, adjust and sit in and be like, yeah, we're good. So, before I ran JJ, stoplight, I do like I do at the track. If you have not watched my Rockingham video, I will link that here as well. I don't dump the clutch, I slip it. So, I give it more gas as I'm slowly coming off the clutch, and I'm slipping it so it doesn't jar anything on the rear end. So the first time I did it, literally it spun a little bit at first, it chirped second, and when it chirped second, it hooked, squat, and took off. Like, I got to, in Mexico, of course, now. In Mexico, I got to 120 a lot faster than what I did before. So, I know it's not supposed to make a difference because I'm stock power, but it really, really, honestly made a huge difference. I love the finish of the parts. Now, honestly, I have the upper control on here. Oh my god, my phone is like blowing up. I'm so sorry, y'all. The hammer tone finish I really, really like. The finish is great. Installation with a breeze, like I said, I only had issues because hunger mixed with anger mixed with sweat and a stuck bolt. Yeah, so that happened. So stuck bolt kind of screwed me up, but hey, it is what it is. I got the parts on. I've been riding around on them. Now, the only issue I have, and I don't quite know what it is. And I'm talking this, y'all see this in another video as well. I don't quite know what it is. I don't quite know if it's my exhaust. I've read that it could be my sway bar ends is cracked, so I got the metal. Because literally I hear the banging sound. Sounds like a hollow pipe, like an exhaust is like just hitting, because I took the exhaust off my car one time. Which, by the way, was freaking amazing. It was amazing. It just was extremely loud, but it was awesome. And when I took it off, I had the over the axle pipe, because I just took the mufflers off. I just took my MagnaFlows back off, and I had the over axle pipe just hanging. When I hit a bump, it sounded like a hollow pipe, just banging, just bang. So I attempted to wire it up, like I used some like clothes hanger wire, and that did not work. So I had to deal with it for a little while. But that's literally what it sounds like, and I cannot figure it out. I can't figure it out for the life of me. So if you own a Mustang, specifically a S197, 05 to 2014, and you've had this same sound, or you know somebody who's had this sound, please comment down below, because I've really had to figure this out, because it's really, really annoying going down the road. Like, I have my phone through my Bluetooth, and I don't even like talking on the phone anymore, because literally every bump I'm hearing it. It's just, I don't know what it's hitting. It literally sounds like it's hitting the axle or the over. I don't know. I don't know what it is. But so the BMR, it's. I got it from CJ Pony Parts. No, LMR. I look at too many websites. I got them from LMR, and I'm gonna plug my phone up while I'm talking. So excuse me for a second. I got it from LMR, and it's called the Teams. It's called the Team Z suspension, rear suspension package, and it came with the BMR lower control and the upper control and panel bar. So everything I wanted, it came with. So I mean, it was only like 6 something when I bought it. Might have went up, might have went down. I don't know. I love it. If I had to go back and do it again, the only thing I probably wouldn't do is I probably wouldn't buy my wheels yet. That's the only thing I probably would not do. But honestly, I'd buy the same thing again. I love it. It sounds amazing. I mean, it sounds amazing. It feels amazing. It's made such a big difference on the car. Now, like I said, the only issue is the either the sway bar or the exhaust. No idea yet. The exhaust note is a lot louder inside the car, but it sounds so amazing. The vibrations like pretty bad, but hopefully Friday I'll be able to get in and get an alignment. So when I call for the tires, I'm also calling for an alignment as well, so I get my rear end kind of centered, get my rear end right, be looking all good back up. But that's pretty much it about the Team Z suspension with the BMR stuff. I still got a few, like I said, I got this part to install, I got the sway bar relocation to do. I'm kind of going to wait to do these so I can get a lift, because this is over the axle. That you got to kind of cut and all that good stuff. So, but pretty much that is it for today. I am out. Peace.
I don't believe in destiny, I just do what's best for me. Don't listen to my enemies, they're just full of jealousy. Yeah, this legacy, you gon' see what's left of me. You gon' see success in me, you ain't seen the rest of me. I just wanna be the best at what I know, better than the rest, just watch me grow. Put me to the test and watch me go. This is my quest, I'ma make it known. They call me obsessive, oh I know. Call me selective with my notes, call me aggressive with my flow. Call me